Hi guys, just a quick video on how to get the best quality on the Textura digital canvas. So there is an option on the actual app itself to crop images that you do have, but the best possible way of getting the best quality on the Textura is most likely getting the content onto a Windows PC and just adjusting it this way. This is on my own personal experience. You can either adjust it in the app or you can do it this way, but the app will crop it to fit. So I've got my image here that I want to adjust. As you can see, this is slightly outscaled because it's a phone picture. And the requirements for the Textura digital canvas are as followed. You can see that it's image JPEG, which is fine, that is JPEG. But the aspect that needs to be adjusted is the resolution itself for the best quality. So as you can see, portrait is 1080 by 1920, which is 16:9. Now, Windows, you can do this with free software, and that's Microsoft Paint, which you can open by right-clicking, going onto Paint itself. And once it's on Paint, you can see it's a bit outscaled. Go to Resize. You'll see the pixel count here. Change this to 1080, 1920. And that will automatically scale to like this. Once that's done, click Save. And that should change here as well. So once that is done, you can now get this onto your phone. I'm going to copy and paste this onto my phone and then put this on the canvas, which I'll show in a moment. Once it's on the app, press the upload button, select the image, press upload. Go to your library, go to personal, click the image, click the three dots, send to canvas, and then send. This should then appear on the canvas as shown. Thank you.